I'd like to settle my bill, please.
Certainly, Lord Elgin. Are you departing Athens?
The boat leaves for Dover in 1 hour.
Well, bon voyage. Here, the boy will take your bags out for you.
No need, thank you. They're very light. Oh, arse!
Lord Elgin, let me May I ask where you got all of these things? The soap, the bathrobe, the hotel slippers?
These? Why, I discovered them on my travels. I'm frightfully good at finding things, you know.
But, sir, these chandeliers, I recognize
Those are earrings for my wife. I uncovered them as I looked for a present for her not half an hour ago.
But, sir, these are the chandeliers from your bedroom. But, wait, what are the huge, heavy pieces of marble, Lord Elgin?
Marble? Oh, these carvings. Ha ha! I suppose you're going to tell me my traditional Greek deluxe ashtrays belong to the hotel, too.
Lord Elgin, these are the marble from the Parthenon, the most prestigious pieces of history in our country's possession.
Rubbish! I got them from the gift shop.
Which gift shop?
The one at the top of the long ladders.
Lord Elgin, how dare you plunder my country?
Plunder? Piffle! I find things. I discover them. I'm an expert collector known throughout the world for my acquisitions. My moustache alone holds 12% of the British Empire. Step aside, old boy, or you'll be in hot beef.
Lord Elgin, please, I beg you, don't use them as ashtrays.
Sorry. Bit late for that. Now, just hand me that serving boy. He'll look rather fine in my hallway. Cheerio.